We all know the cost of going out has skyrocketed. And if you're anything like my friends, we love to eat out on a Friday night. Good food, good vibes. Well, let's take the vibes back home because it's going to cost us a lot less. And you're probably looking, Cheron, a potato? Really? Yes. Potatoes are economical. We can actually prep these potatoes. We can stuff them and we can enjoy them. Kind of like a baked stuffed potato or potato bites. I'm going to call this a cheesy little baked potato bite. So let's get started. It's going to be simple. We're using our air fryer again. And what I've already done is I've taken our little baked potato, or little, not baked potato, but little potatoes. They're still a little hot. And I boiled them. We're just going to cut them in half like this. And cut them all in half, and then we're going to, let me see. We're going to take the bottoms of these. Let me use my little knife. We're going to take the bottom of these and actually just take a little piece off just like that, just so they can lay flat. You'll see in a moment. So we're going to prep our potatoes. You see what I have as well already prepared? We have cheese. I have butter. And I have bacon bits. Now, for those of you who don't eat pork, no problem. You can actually make bacon bits out of turkey bacon if you like. That's an option. Or just don't have any of the bacon in it at all. No problem. I'm kind of doing, when we're thinking about going out, potato skins, that's a top seller when you're ordering appetizers. And you all know, like I said, everything's gotten so expensive. Potato skins in a restaurant, I haven't ordered them lately, but the last time that I actually did, I want to say they were about $15 to $18 for potato skins. Yes, I know. And we're taking a small bag of these little baby potatoes. I think I spent $5 on them, and we're saving money. Not only that, we're at home. Not only that, we're saving time because I know it's a Friday night, like I mentioned, and you've been at work all day, you're tired. You need something quick and easy to make once your friends come over. This is going to be it. So I'm going to stop right here and just show you the next step. So we've taken the potato, we've prepped it, and then it's a little bit of the skin. We're just going to take the contents of filling out. If you have a spoon, you could scoop it out. I have this paring knife, which is going to make it a lot easier. We're going to take the contents and put it in dump it in our bowl, and then maybe follow through. I should have let these cool off a little bit, but it's okay. We're going to take the contents of this and, okay, maybe I should let it cool off because I actually just broke this doggone potato. Better yet, I'm going to put on a glove and take away some of that heat. So we're just going to scoop out the contents of our potato. Very simple, easy. And don't worry about getting it all out because you're going to have plenty of it at the end. And again, this is something you can have on a Friday night. You can also, if you're having a party, this is going to be a great appetizer. And let me see, I have like I mentioned before, we're using the air fryer to bake, but if you have to use the regular typical oven, no problem. Get a sheet tray and get your parchment paper all lined up, and then continue taking out the contents of this. And line them up on your paper. I took a little bit too much out of that. You got to be careful because the contents is not only hot, but it's very soft. So you're just making like a bowl. Similar to what you see at the restaurant with the potato skin. All they're doing is taking the contents out and filling it with all the stuff that we have right here. So another thing that I didn't have today, but you could also include, would be chives. I just broke that. Doggone it. Good thing no one's really eating these up today. You have to be really careful. That's the one thing that if you have a little bit more time to factor in, go ahead and let the potatoes cool down just a little bit so you're able to control your cut and the contents inside, filling it, taking it out. But I'm just going to cut a few more, and then I'll show you how to do the inside. So remember, take that bottom part off a little, just a little, because you want it to sit flat on your tray. Okay, there you have it. So since I messed these up, no problem. I'm just going to take the contents of it and put it in and mix it in. So we can definitely use all of what we have right here, even if we mess up. All right. So another thing that that you could have if you are a vegan is not actually utilizing regular butter, but you can use vegan butter. You can also use vegan cheese to stuff these. And we all know that the potato is already, vegetarian. So you're going to have options for preparing this. It's not just for the dairy consumers or, the vegans, non-dairy. You want to have options just because, I did it again. No worries. We're going to utilize that in our content. But just to give you an idea of the next step, I kind of want to have some more because I may eat these myself today. You could also, I think I've made them, maybe not for you all, but you can stuff these with meat as well if you wanted. Chicken, beef, ground beef, but we're going to stop right here. And we're just going to take the contents that we have. Let me go ahead and use this. And it's okay if you have some of the skin in it. Actually, that's it's a great nutrient. So go ahead and we're going to mash this up. I'm going to add in some cheese. Also, I'm going to add in some of the bacon. Again, you don't have to have bacon or pork bacon, if you will. And then we're going to add in some butter in here. And this is about 2 tablespoons. We're going to mix all that up. I added in salt while I was boiling the potatoes. But I would suggest maybe adding in a little bit more along with, I have garlic here. We're going to add in some garlic, some pepper, and then a little bit of salt. Again, we want it somewhat healthy. We don't want to add in a whole bunch of sodium. And that's another advantage of having these Friday night vibes and food back at home is we can control what we're putting in our food. When you get prepackaged items and food, when you eat out, you don't know what's going in it. What does that mean? We have no control of the sodium content, the sugar content, and as you all know, stroke is a 4th leading cause of death, so we don't want to have high blood pressure, hypertension. We can control that with food. Okay, so we have our mix already. And I'm going to stuff it. Remember, your air fryer or your oven should be preheated. And I have it on 400. So we're just going to take our mixture and just stuff it right here back into our shells of the potato. And it's okay if it's oozing out because that's okay. All right. So I didn't make them all while it's in there baking or the cheese melting down. I'll cut some more out. Let's see. This is a big hunk. I didn't put that Let's see, I didn't cut the side. Oh, yep, I sure didn't, because you see it was actually tilting. So again, the reason why we cut the bottom, so it can lay flat on your sheet tray. So just take a little bit of the bottom off, and you'll see that it sits flat right there. All right, so we'll just add that, and then we'll be ready to pop these in the oven. And again, this is something that you can quickly, easily make for your Friday night dinner party, or you're hanging out with your girls or your guys. Guys, you can do this too. We're going to put this in our air fryer or oven for about 5 minutes. I don't even think it's going to take that long. We just essentially want our cheese to melt. That's why we're putting it in there, because all the contents is already cooked. So let me go ahead and, because I want to be able to not waste these. We'll finish these off and be right back to see the finished product. Well, while that's cooking, I gotta tell you that RX Catering has you covered for all your corporate events. Employee lunches, networking receptions, executive leadership functions, and even that corporate meeting where you just want great food. Because you know the biggest morale booster is fantastic food made with love. And of course at RX Catering, we got you covered. Check us out at rxcatering-cc.com. Let's get back to that recipe. Okay, so it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. We're pulling our bites out of our air fryer. Oh my gosh, they look so great. And we're going to finish them off. Oh, I have my plate right here. So we're just going to take them, plate them up, and serve them. We're ready. So wasn't that simple? I mean, burning myself over here. Wasn't that simple? We took a basic potato. All we did was prep it just like a potato skin. We stuffed it with our filling, and then we baked it. So something very simple, easy. We're hanging out with our friends. Pop this in before they come over, and then we're going to, let's see, top it off with a little bit of fresh parsley. A little bit, just a little. And then if you want, I have a little bit of sour cream. I'm just going to add to a couple of them. And that's it. So the next time you need something quick, easy, delicious, where you can bring the vibe back home, check out Cooking with Cheron. We got you covered. Until the next time, thanks for watching.